Hello everyone, welcome to the transpiration second part, chapter number 5 of ICSC board. Today we are going to learn regulation of stomatal transpiration. As we all know that stomata are present at the epidermis of the leaf, and the opening and closing depends on the amount of water and solutes in the guard cells. See, these are the guard cells. Now when they have full amount of water, they swell up and become turgid like this. You can see the stomata are open. There is easily diffusion of gases in and out of this stomata, and during the day the stomata are open, but in the night they are closed. So they become flaccid when this has less amount of water. So when stomata are open, diffusion of takes place. When water is absorbed in the less amount, the guard cells become flaccid and transpiration stops. Now this is the reason why some of the plants wilt during the day, because the amount of water absorbed is less and transpired is more. Now coming to the second type of transpiration, we have cuticular transpiration. Cuticle is a waxy layer which is secreted by the epidermis, and the thickness of this varies from plant to plant. Now इसका काम क्या है? इसका काम है to prevent evaporation of water from leaf surfaces. तो जितना ज़्यादा cuticle thick होगा उतनी कम transpiration होगी. अब डेजर्ट प्लांट्स में यही एक अडेप्टेशन होती है जो प्रिवेंट करती है लॉस ऑफ द वाटर थ्रू क्यूटिकल्स. Third type of transpiration is lenticular transpirations. Now lenticels are small opening that develop in the older stem in place of stomata. Now they allow diffusion of the gases for respiration and photosynthesis, and plus point of the lenticels is that they never close. So a question can be asked you regarding name type of the transpiration which is present in the older stem, then you have to write lenticular transpiration. And points to remember in transpiration is that the stomatal transpiration is maximum and lenticular transpiration is minimum. There are some factors which affect the transpiration. First is the intensity of the sunlight. See, during the day transpiration is more, at night transpiration is less. And when there is, second point is temperature. Now when there is rise in temperature, more water will evaporate. Third is velocity of wind. जितनी ज़्यादा हवा चलेगी उतना ज़्यादा जो मॉइस्चर कंटेंट है वो मूव करेगा, वाटर वेपर मूव करेगा विद द एयर, उतनी स्पेस खाली होगी एंड देयर विल बी मोर ट्रांसपिरेशन. नाउ इन केस ऑफ ह्यूमिडिटी मीन्स द अमाउंट ऑफ मॉइस्चर लेवल इन द एटमॉस्फेयर. अगर एटमॉस्फेयर ऑलरेडी हैज़ लॉट ऑफ water vapor, so it will not require much water vapor and transpiration will be less. Similarly is with the carbon dioxide. Like if there is increase in carbon dioxide level, there will be decrease in transpiration. Now why? Because the stomata will not open. They already have carbon dioxide, so they are getting it. They need not to get open. Similarly is the case with atmospheric pressure. When there is decrease in the pressure, there is rise in transpiration. Now there are some internal factors in the leaves which prevents them from transpiration, that is the water content of the leaves. If the water content decreases due to reduced absorption of water, the wilting of the leaves occur and transpiration is reduced. Why? Because I have told you earlier in the slide that the guard cells become flaccid, so the space between them is closed. So they become flaccid and gases do not diffuse. Now what are the adaptation of the plants to reduce transpiration? See, every place is not same. At times कई बार ऐसा होता है किसी जगह में ट्रांसपिरेशन ज़्यादा होती है, किसी जगह में कम होती है. तो उसमें प्लांट्स के कुछ करेक्टरिस्टिक्स होते हैं जो जिनको हम अडेप्टेशन कह देते हैं कि प्लांट में अडेप्टेशन हुई है. जैसे फर्स्ट इज संकन स्टोमेटा. Sunken stomata means either the stomata is hidden inside the leaf or it is covered by hair. Then there may be fewer stomata. There may be narrow leaves. Sometimes the surface is broad and sometimes the leaves are narrow. When the leaves are narrow, they have less chances of transpiration. Now reduce exposed surface of the leaf. Why? Because some of the leaves they curl themselves, they twirl themselves to reduce the surface area. Now loss of leaves and thick cuticle. What is the significance of transpiration? How transpiration is useful to the plant? It has three main effects. This question can be asked. It can come in 2 or 3 marks question. You have to cram it, learn the basic points. The concept remains the same which you have learnt in the junior classes. First is cooling effect. वाई कूलिंग इफेक्ट? बिकॉज जब भी पानी इवेपोरेट होता है वो अपने साथ वाले सर्फेसिस की हीट लेकर उठता है, सो इट रिड्यूसेस द टेम्परेचर ऑफ द लीफ सर्फेस. सेकेंड इज सक्शन फोर्स. जब पानी ऊपर से ट्रांसपायर होता है तो नीचे से वो एक फोर्स को जनरेट करता है जो हेल्प करता है पानी को ऊपर आने के लिए. देन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ वाटर एंड मिनरल सॉल्ट्स. क्योंकि प्लांट्स जो हैं दे ऑल्सो ऑल पार्ट ऑफ द प्लांट्स रिक्वायर वाटर एंड मिनरल, सो this transpiration helps in the distribution of water and minerals to the different part of the plants. Now transpiration affects the climate. How? By adding moisture content in the atmosphere, it helps in bringing rain. Now these are few data which is given, like sunflower loses half a liter of water per day, and apple it loses 30 liters of water per day, and maize it loses 2 liters of water per day. What is guttation and bleeding? So in your ICSE part there is a question which is based on difference. So there can be difference between guttation and transpiration. There is a difference between evaporation and transpiration. There can be difference between guttation and bleeding. So you kindly remember these basic points, that guttation is loss of water in the form of droplets, whereas in transpiration water is lost in the form of vapors. Now water is lost through hydrathodes. Hydrathodes are small openings present at the side of the leaves, so there is no effect on turgidity of the leaf, and it occurs in the humid condition. And bleeding is when there is escape of cell sap from a cut surface on a plant due to injury, that is known as bleeding. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching. If you've liked my video, kindly subscribe my channel. Stay home, stay safe.